Difference between URL and IP address. When you browse the internet, you're using both URLs and IP addresses, even if you don't realize it. A URL, Uniform Resource Locator, is the human-friendly web address you type into your browser, like www.google.com. It tells your browser where to go and what to do, including the protocol, HTTPS, domain name, and path to a specific page or file. An IP address, Internet Protocol address, like 142.250.190.78, is the numerical label assigned to each device or website on the Internet. It's how computers find each other and communicate, kind of like a digital home address. URL is name and IP address equals location. Both are essential, but they serve different roles in making the Internet work. Thanks for watching. For more such informative videos, subscribe our channel and like the video. See you next time.